Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a beach wavy hair tutorial. So the first thing I do when I'm about to curl my hair for these waves, I brush out my hair. Once I brush my hair out to make sure of any tangles, then I'm going to spray it with some heat protectant. And I also like to put oil in my hair just for it to look nice and shimmery. So I'm going to put this Frizz Buster serum on my hair. It's really good. Leaves your hair really soft and it smells super good. So I'm just going to pour some on my hand. And put it at the bottom of my hair. Just swipe your fingers through it. Make sure it's not all in one spot, you're just putting it everywhere throughout your hair. I'm not going to do it on the top of my head because you don't want to look like you have greasy hair. Just at the bottom. And then I'm going to use a sleek spray by Matrix. It's this. Just spray that all over. It smells really good. And you're just going to swipe your hands through your hair to make sure it gets everywhere. Okay. Once you do that, I'm going to start parting my hair into sections. You want about this much. And then you're just going to tie this part on top. Okay, since we're going for more like a beach wave type of look, I'm going to use a straightener I got at the mall. I think it's around like $200, but if you buy one, I think you get like the next one 50% off, so that's really good. I also am going to be using this curler. It's not thin, it's pretty thick, so it's going to be bigger like curl waves type of thing, so that's really good. So first, just going to straighten my roots, because my roots, they're kind of wavy and I don't want it to be wavy at my roots. Just in the middle. Don't want to burn my ear. So be careful. Okay, so now that I have it straightened by the roots, I'm going to get half of this and then get my wand. Get it around but not at the end. Leave the end. And then just hold it for a couple seconds and then just take it down, so it should look like that at the end of the curl. Straighten it. So again, get this, wrap it around, only hold it for a couple seconds, you don't want that much. You want it to be more loose, and then straighten it at the end. And then if you do it too curly, you can just go over it with a straightening iron, so it's pretty easy. Then you could just run your hands through it to just make it even more loose. I think it's super cute, perfect for any occasion, to be honest. I love it so much. Okay, so now I am going to get a bigger section, about this much. I don't know if any of you guys curl your guys' hair or straighten your guys' hair with your arm around your head. Am I the only weirdo that does that? I don't know, I just think I find that easier just going like this. I don't know if you guys do that. Maybe I'm weird. But for me it's quicker and faster. And it works really good for me. I'll try to do it normal. Okay, it's not working out for me. Beauty is such a pain. The things girls do for beauty. Just to look cute all the time.
drama got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise. Doing shit you don't even see in movies.
That is it for the video. I hope you guys liked the final result. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye!